Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update MetaMask securely using hardware wallet connection, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your computer. Launch the browser of your choice. Navigate to the official MetaMask website. Click on the download or install option for the MetaMask extension, if you don't have it already installed. Once installed, launch the MetaMask extension. You'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Select the Get Started button to proceed. If you already have a wallet, choose the Import Wallet option. For first-time users, select Create a Wallet. For secure use, connect your hardware wallet by selecting the respective option. Follow the prompts to complete the connection process. Now, enter your hardware wallet's password when prompted to unlock it. Once unlocked, you'll be able to access your funds safely. Next, navigate to the settings within the MetaMask interface. Select the About section to check for the current version of MetaMask. To update, visit the official MetaMask GitHub page for the latest release. Download the latest version of MetaMask compatible with your browser. Return to your browser and click on the MetaMask icon. Select the option to import your newly downloaded wallet. Ensure all necessary security measures are in place. After the import process, check your wallet balance to confirm everything transferred correctly. Finally, remember to safely store your backup phrases and securely disconnect your hardware wallet. Close the MetaMask extension once you're done to ensure your information remains private. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.